Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon Pixma MG5753. This is nice and simple, done from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel you can see on the front. So to access the cartridges, we need to lift this control panel. And once it's up, the printer will realise and eventually move the ink cartridge cradle into this position here so we can access them. Now, the ones that are lit, the printer is absolutely fine with. This one with the slow flash here, the printer thinks it's running low. So I'm going to show you on this one. There'll always be like a little clip at the bottom. Press that and it'll release. Notice the light goes up too. Pull them out. Get your replacement cartridge. I'm not actually going to change anything because this one's got a little bit of life left in it, and I'd recommend just using them until the printer physically rejects them before you change them. If this is a new cartridge you're popping in, there'll probably be some form of protective packaging on there. Look out for yellow or orange pull tabs, which you can sometimes find on the top, as removing these first is pretty important, because if you take the clip that you'll often find on the bottom off before that, you'll find the ink sometimes can pour out, which you want to avoid, obviously. So, to get them back in, just do pretty much the reverse. Press down until you hear a click. Once you hear that click, and it lights up again, you know you're good. Then we can just lower this control panel gently again, and the printer will start checking out the cartridges, make sure it's happy with everything you've done. If we give it just a moment, get a little confirmation screen here, indicating what it thinks has been changed. That's okay, and you're done. If you get any messages saying there is an issue with the cartridges, Canon are pretty transparent with when it's not happy with an ink cartridge for this range. And if it reports a cartridge isn't recognized, it's almost certainly down to the chip which is on the cartridges, and although that's rare, you don't need to worry about like firmware updates or anything that will kick out compatible or remanufactured cartridges. They're a pretty good company in that respect. And that's about all there is to it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Do drop us a like if it's been useful. If there's anything else you'd like to know, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.